Good morning, good morning. Today we're looking at constellations and stars. All right, so your lesson for today, identify constellations. You've got a game. You've got some enrichment right here. You've got an activity where it's a discussion questions where there are four different constellations and you got to write different sentences about each one of those. Remember to always in your sentence start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. And you guys are in the fifth grade, so you must writing complete sentences. And then the last thing that you're going to do is I am going to give you an opportunity to observe the stars on the show it part and get extra credit. You have to observe for 2 weeks though. But at the end of the 2 weeks, if you deserve extra credit, if you observe the stars at night, then I'm going to give you extra credit. I'm going to let you guys tell me how much extra credit you think it should be. And what we'll do is we'll add the extra credit to your lowest science grade, okay? But that won't go towards this 9 weeks. I tell you what we can do. Let's just do it for 1 week because if with today being Thursday, um, you can have your observations in by next Thursday, and we can put that towards this 9 weeks. All right. So this is what we're going to look at. Identifying constellations. Your objective, you'll identify constellations. There are billions of galaxies. Some of the most well-known galaxies are the Milky Way, the galaxy where the Earth, the Sun, and the other planets in our solar systems are located. And the Earth appears as a tiny dot within the enormous Milky Way. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. All right, so right here it talks about so galaxies are vast places with countless different objects, some of which are the stars that make up constellations you may recognize in the night sky. It has the spiral bands. The spiral just means it just kind of goes around like spiral. It spirals around. Within these bands are all the planets, including Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Your solar system is not in the Milky Way. It's located toward the end of the left side band, okay? The end of the left side band, okay? Recognizing constellations, 88 recognized constellations. Although the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, they can be seen all year, but so the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper can be seen all year. The Big Dipper is the common name for Ursa Major, and it looks like a big dipper of water. You see the Ursa Major there? The Big Dipper. This is the dipper part. The Ursa Major. The Ursa Minor is the scientific name for the Little Dipper. Looks the same, but it's smaller. These are not true constellations according to the International Astronomical Union. Okay, and then here we've got the Cassiopeia. It's a constellation that looks similar to a crown turned sideways. You see that crown right there? It's only visible in the fall, which I find that fascinating. Orion is another constellation. Here's the Orion. You see the hunting bow? There is the hunting bow. There's the wood or the rubber or whatever that part is right there. And then, so that's the arrow, I guess you could say. And then this part is the bow. That's so cool that God made that. I just think that's so cool. All right. And the last part, you've got to observe the sky. I'm running out of time. It's about to end, but you've got to observe the sky for 1 week. And I want you to email me at kmore@randolphboe.org and tell me how many points you think this should be worth. You can do this on a piece of paper or you can do it in Google Docs. I hope you have a great day, guys.